Well, welcome back to another Trade Journal entry. I am fucking cooked, as you can tell. As you can see, I am absolutely buns cooked deep in my own self. It is currently Monday, August 25th, and it is 4:26 p.m. Why am I so late? Let me answer your questions quick and fast because I need to get some things done now. Clearly, I am late. Clearly, I just woke up, and I am absolutely pissed. So clearly no trade journal entry today. Well, no trade entry today. But hold on. I was up around my usual time, which is all the way up to like today. It was up to like I think 6. Let me just explain everything quick. I need to get things done, and this is just gonna be quick. So basically, I was drinking a little bit. I had like I think 4 or 5 beers. I was a little faded, but I was also, I wasn't like completely drunk out of my mind. Like, damn, bro, I need to sit down or I'm gonna go completely combustaneous. No, I was just a little faded, but I was also tired because that's, around the time I sleep, and I was already up extra early that day, yesterday. So I'm not gonna make excuses, but I did try to do prep bias. I knew I was too drunk, or not too drunk, but I just knew I wasn't like in my headspace of like I'm faded, man. I don't have a clear straight line of like thought. Like I can't really use my brain at its full potential. So I knew I was just too faded off this earth at that point, man. I was like, I had like this body high that I couldn't depict. I was still able to do things per usual, but I'm not even gonna explain myself. I don't even care. I'm just really upset. The only thing that I am kind of, at least helping me regulate myself right now and remind myself right now is I still got it at least, even if I was a little faded and a little tipsy or whatever it was. My desk is a complete mess. It's absolutely pissing me off, but it's whatever. So let's look at this. So today's Monday. This week is going to be absolutely no news. I mean, there's going to be some high impact news, but it's only like 2 or 3, and that's it. Nothing crazy this week. It's going to be very low news week. So that means not much price action influence from news. It's going to be all price action itself. This is all going to be based off what the algorithm and the market decides to do itself. So I have here 5:30 a.m. and then I actually came on here around 4:30, just to be honest, because I try to give myself a head start because again, I was tipsy, I was faded. So I try to give myself a head start. I did all these lines, I marked all of it, as you can see. I can't do the replay method, so I can't just ignore all of this, to be honest. It kind of sucks. I don't know what I'm looking at, but I do know, I do see what I'm looking at here. This method right here, I was using from what I was learning on ICT on episode 2 and 3. I was just seeing if it would work or not. It made sense in my head. It kind of not only made sense in my head, but it also made sense with my strategy and my setups. So I kind of used it, and I fell asleep around here. I kind of just put it away, and I just told myself, right here. I fell asleep around here. I saw it consolidating, and I think I marked this because I wanted myself to check to see if I was right or not, because I saw price dipping below here, and I think I wanted price to go back up because I expected a reversal. I don't know. There is massive fair value gaps here. I mean, I can see a big one right here. It's not marked on any time frame. Yeah, that's a big fair value gap. Okay, so I don't know. I'm not going to do the trade journal entry. I'm not doing any of that. There's no entry. There's no trade journal entry. This is just basically me saying there was no entry today. But the only thing I was right about was I expected a reversal. And if I would have got a confirmation, then I would have entered. But it doesn't look like I would have gotten a confirmation because I don't see any key levels around here at all. Like, oh my God, why does it do that? I don't see any key levels around here at all, unless this could be counted as a key level. Okay, yeah, that could have counted as a key level if I was aware at the time. I don't think I would have noticed if I was faded doing this, that this right here, what I just pulled out, was a key level, and all I had to do was extend it to here. because we see price break past it, not only retraces and taps back into it just to get a reaction off of it and consolidate on this line, creating relative, equal, what is this, lows? I don't know. Price consolidates though, and we get off of it. But anyway, I don't know if I would actually, take a trade off of this, to be honest. It seems like price is just a little bit too where am I? Jeez, damn, bro. Why am I so far back? Yeah, I don't know if I would have took a trade off this, dude. I actually don't know if I would have took a trade off this. I mean, although I did expect a reversal from here and we did, break these lines and whatnot. I mean, it's not like anything crazy that would have been profitable or worth risking money for. So again, even if I took no trade, I still wouldn't have taken any trade, because what the hell is this, to be honest? So now I'm not kind of that upset. I mean, yeah, this is just absolutely insane. I'm not going to even look at that. Just get it off. My computer's being absolutely exponentially slow for no fucking reason. I don't know why it's being so damn slow. I'm about to force restart it on a whole different level. But yeah, so today's trade journal entry, August 25th, 2025, New York session per usual. But no entry. We didn't do anything. We didn't do prep bias, not that much. I mean, we did do prep bias. We did prep up our key levels and all that. I just fell asleep. I fell asleep because I was tired and I was faded. And yeah, I have no excuse. I did anticipate a reversal, so I did get that right at least. It just wasn't any massive reversal that I would have taken a trade off of if I was sober anyway. So overall, no trade today. But I am disappointed in myself. I shouldn't have drank that much, especially on a trade day. I'm absolutely disappointed in myself. Not only did I, miss a trading day, but I just basically, that's just undisciplined. Like I'm very disappointed in myself. I won't be doing that again. I'm absolutely pissed because I was supposed to get things done today, like IRL. I was supposed to go get these things done today, man. Like, I'm absolutely pissed. My whole day's gone technically. I mean, my day just started for my schedule, my sleep schedule, but for the rest of the day, everything's done. I was supposed to get my title in today, DEQ and registration for this damn car, so I could go fucking finally finalize it. But here I am slacking when I get the chance. That's just who I am, though. I'm undisciplined and I'm lazy and I need to fix it. Dude, I'm so pissed, but it's whatever. Hey, I can't even try to stay positive off of this because it's still very early. I just woke up. I swear, I just woke up like 5-10 minutes ago. I'm so pissed, dude. I am literally not only so disappointed in myself, but I am so pissed. It's on a different level. It's whatever. I wouldn't have taken a trade today either way. Price wasn't, very volatile. I don't think price is going to be volatile this week at all. I already saw TGR didn't take a trade today, or he lost a trade. I don't know. I don't remember. All I know is I woke up, I scrolled a bit, and all I saw was TGR didn't take a trade on Instagram, and I was like, all right, whatever, bro. And that made me realize, oh shit, I need to check and see what happened to my charts, because he's on E-mini, I'm on micro E-mini. But yeah, so I don't have anything positive to say. This is just a lesson to not only myself, but to anybody watching. You either wake up and get the bread or you don't. That's just how the game works, man. You either get the bread or you don't. This is a good moment for what fear of missing out would have been. This is a good reason on why you're allowed to feel FOMO. Because I mean, I could have missed out on a potentially good trade or potentially worse trade. It doesn't matter if it's bad or not, bad or good, because at the end of the day, I showed myself I chose to not be disciplined rather than being disciplined. So I'm greatly upset with myself. I'm disappointed, and I'm not only disappointed with the fact that I was not only disciplined or undisciplined with, my job here. This is a job here. I'm not I showed myself I wasn't disciplined with my job, but only I didn't get things done when I needed to get things done IRL. So, whatever, man. We have another day coming up. So, yesterday was technically Monday for me, but it's going to be Tuesday for me now. So, let's hope we can get something out of Tuesday. And I did wake up kind of early. It's 4:30, so I hope I can make it past 6:30 New York Open for me, and then past 8 a.m. and then 9 a.m. and doing my my trade journal entry and all that. So, sorry guys.